Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background image in Chrome on computer. So launch your Chrome app, and here at the very right bottom corner, you would be able to see this customize Chrome option, which will open this sidebar panel where it will give you option to choose the default or upload or solid colors or the artistic. Now if you want to upload an image, you can choose upload image and select the image that you want to set it as a background. Now let me just choose this one as a background, and it will automatically change this as a background. Similarly, if you want to change it to something else, like from the preset list, then you can choose either one of them and it will automatically change the background according to it. So in this way you can customize the background. Now there are other options where you can choose the themes like dark mode, light mode, or the solid colors. So you can play around with these settings to customize the Chrome appearance and make it according to your need. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.